Today, we're going to talk about the Atlas Orthogonal Percussive Adjusting instrument and why that little bone at the top of your neck is really critical. Many people ask about the Atlas Orthogonal protocol. I personally have been performing the procedure for over 20 years and have had wonderful success with it in some very complicated and difficult cases. The procedure is specifically designed to address the upper neck. It's designed to analyze the relationship between the first bone in the neck, called the atlas, and the skull, and then the relationship between the atlas and the rest of the neck. Many times patients ask us, why is that so important? I know I have some neck pain, my head's killing me, but why is that one bone so important? Well, basically 60% of all the proprioceptive nerve endings in your entire body are between those two bones up at the top of your neck. Patients will tell us about brain fog, they'll tell us about being forgetful, they'll tell us about headaches, and the headaches can be with you for decades. The neck pain, the upper back pain, and many times these conditions are due to the imbalance that patients are carrying due to the misalignments of the upper neck. The force of the Atlas Orthogonal Adjusting instrument is a frequency of force that our nervous system can't feel. Another gratifying part of the procedure is that typically it doesn't take long to feel better. As a matter of fact, we have some very strict parameters of response that we expect to have with cases in order to justify continued treatment. This is not the sort of thing where people come to see us on and on for months and months in an attempt to get better. If you want more information about this topic, just go to our website and click on the Medium page, and there'll be a full explanation there.